Telehealth calls within Cliniko now has a new feature called Picture-in-Picture mode. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how it works and how to enable this feature in this Cliniko quick tip. Picture-in-Picture mode allows you to multitask on your desktop or laptop during a video call. Specifically, you can display your current call in front of your other applications. For example, you can review their patient file, create treatment notes, or share your screen while still being able to see your patient or telehealth call simultaneously. No need to navigate back and forth between your call and your other applications. In order for this new option to appear during your video calls, again, you'll need to be on a desktop or laptop, and as long as you're using Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Safari, you'll then see a new picture-in-picture mode option. Currently, Picture-in-Picture is not supported on tablets, mobile devices, as well as the browser Firefox. If you can enable Picture-in-Picture mode, though, you'll see an icon that will look like a box with an arrow pointing out. Selecting this icon during a video call will then float your telehealth call in a new pop-up or window. From here, you can move the floating Picture-in-Picture window anywhere on your screen. To quickly navigate back to your call, you can also select the floating window, or head back to the video call within your browser and choose Exit Picture-in-Picture mode. By default, you'll be able to see your patient's camera view during Picture-in-Picture mode, but you can easily switch to another view by selecting your preferred camera view or call participant when out of Picture-in-Picture mode. So if you need to see yourself and your camera view for any reason instead of your patient, this is a great option. We hope that Picture-in-Picture mode helps you with your future calls. And if you need any help getting telehealth set up or have any additional questions, reach out to the Cliniko support team.